Are you ready to list your space and start making money with Airbnb? Welcome to my channel Airbnb Me. My name is Clara and I've been an Airbnb superhost for 2.5 years. In this video, I'll walk you through every single step to set up your listing the right way, so you can attract guests, get bookings fast, and avoid common mistakes. Plus, if you sign up using my special Airbnb referral link, you'll get a bonus after your first booking. Step 1. Sign up for Airbnb. Get started using my referral link. Airbnb will give you a bonus after your first booking. It's free to join, so why not start with an extra boost? If you don't have an account, create one using your email, Google, or Facebook. Pro tip: use a professional email to keep things organized. You will get notifications regarding booking requests or guests' messages to your email. And now you can start your listing. In basically 3 steps, you are going to describe your place, upload photos, and finally publish it. Step 2. Choose what you're listing. Airbnb will ask you what kind of space you're offering. Entire place: guests have the whole place to themselves. Private room: guests stay in one room but share common areas. Shared room: budget-friendly option where guests share space. Or even a boat, cabin, or camper. Pro tip: choose what fits best, but entire place usually gets more bookings and higher rates, which is the requirement to get the bonus. Step 3. Add the basics. Now, fill in the details. Location: enter your address accurately. Number of guests: set a realistic max guest count, sometimes less is more. Rooms and beds: specify the number of bedrooms, beds, and bathrooms. Amenities: select features like Wi-Fi, parking, washer machine, air conditioning. Pro tip: the more amenities you offer, the more attractive your listing is. Don't forget essentials like coffee maker, extra pillows, and toiletries. Small things make a big difference. Step 4. Upload high-quality photos. Photos are everything. Airbnb requires at least 5 photos, but I recommend at least 10 to 15 great shots. Use natural light for the best results. Show every room, including living spaces, kitchen, and bathroom. Capture details: cozy decorations, workspace, or outdoor views. Don't use dark, blurry, or cluttered images. This can drive guests away. You can watch my video about this topic. Once you've uploaded your photos, it's time to craft a compelling title for your listing. With only 32 characters, make it count by highlighting what makes your place unique. Next, Airbnb will assist you in writing a description by suggesting a starting sentence based on 2 key features of your home. You have up to 500 characters to showcase your space, so make it engaging. A great tip is to browse similar listings for inspiration while keeping your description authentic and inviting. Step 5. Set your pricing and availability. Now it's time to decide how much you'll charge. Airbnb offers smart pricing, but you can set your own rates too. First, decide a weekday base price and then set a weekend price for Fridays and Saturdays. Start with a lower price to attract your first guests and get reviews. Look at similar listings in your area for pricing insights. Set cleaning fees and discounts, weekly and monthly stays. Pro tip: offer a discount on the first 3 bookings to get early momentum. Step 6. Publish and get ready for guests. Once everything is set, click Publish and your listing is now live. Next, prepare your space for your first booking. Stock up on essentials, toiletries, towels, extra keys. Have a smooth check-in process, lockbox, key exchange. Welcome guests with a friendly message or guidebook. In your listing editor section, you will be able to polish more details like house rules: if pets are allowed, events, even if your guests can't smoke in your place. Which are the quiet hours, maximum of guests, check-in and check-out times. You can also specify additional rules that matters to you. And your arrival guide: directions to the house, check-in method, Wi-Fi details, check-out instructions, even interaction preferences explaining if you are going to be in the property or not. And that's it. You're officially an Airbnb host. Remember to use my referral link in the description to get started. It's a great way to earn a bonus with your first booking. Also, you will be able to reach me through the app if you need help. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new tip. See you next time, and happy hosting!